Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing some very quick and very easy Holi card. So it is very easy to make. I will show you the girl and the background. So let's start with procedure. For this we need scissor, some poster colors, paintbrush, permanent marker and white color cardstock. I am taking one white color cardstock and making the sketch of the girl. So sketch is done. Now I am outlining whole sketch using my black color permanent marker. Here I am using permanent marker because when I will color this with poster color, so this black color will not get blend with other colors. So complete this outlining work and erase all pencil work. Now I am fussy cutting this whole girl using my scissor. So I have already cut one girl and created this as the same process. Now I am using these camelin cake colors. If you don't have these colors, you can also use normal poster colors. So I am coloring this girl. I am doing little shading also. So coloring is done. I'm also adding some color splashes on her body because she's playing Holi. So girl is ready. Now I'm taking this white color cardstock which measures 26 cm by 13 cm, and I am taking this front part for coloring the background. So first just add plain water and then start adding some colors randomly on this. So all colors will get automatically merged with each other and it looks very superb. Since this is the occasion of Holi, so I want to use each and every shade. Now let it dry. So it's dry now. Now I am adding this zigzag border on the card. For this I have used one zigzag scissor. If you don't have zigzag scissor, you can add normal strip on this card, or also you can add some half cut pearls. Now here I created one yellow color splash. I just drew one splash shape on yellow paper and fussy cut this. So I am adding the splash on top of the card, and after that I will add the girl. So it will look like the girl is throwing some colored water from her pichkari and the splash is coming out from this. Now I will write the sentiment inside the splash. Happy Holi! So it's done. I have added some white color dots around the card and also created the border around this splash. So my quick card is ready. Happy Holi to all of you. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.